They said, watch, bet it will. We've been defying gravity now, going on 100 years. It was paper wings, faith and dreams. That's how we got from there to here.
A nickel bought a soda popper way back then, and a movie only cost a dime. He came home with a scar and a purple heart. She waited all that time. Today they'll cut a golden wedding cake. How they made it all those years. It had to be tough, they just said it was love. That's how they got from there to here.
Oh, you either do or you don't believe that it can or can't be done. Oh, an ounce of faith and a touch of grace, and it can happen to anyone.
4 boys, lots of noise, 2-car garage.
Hey, turn those guitars down.
They couldn't know that the world would grow in time to love that sound.
They headed out in a beat-up van and a U-Haul packed full of gear.
The road was long, but the will was strong. That's how they got from there to here.
Yeah, they got a bus, but you can bet they'd walk just to hear another crowd cheer. It was a song and a prayer and a lot of luck,
And you, that got us from there to here.